Your digital identity just got a massive overhaul. And if you aren't paying attention right now, you might be leaving a mountain of rewards on the table. We are witnessing a complete shift in how the Billions Network manages your data and your hard-earned earnings. They have officially retired the old portal. It is effectively a thing of the past. Everything is shifting toward a centralized identity wallet, a system designed to balance the needs of human users with the rising tide of automated agents. The newest version of the mobile app is hitting both major phone platforms as we speak. The changes are much deeper than just a new look or a fresh coat of paint. You can finally see your entire reputation and every single reward in one single, unified hub. No more jumping between different screens. No more wondering if your efforts are even being tracked correctly. It is all happening in real time now. This privacy-first technology is the absolute core of the new system. It focuses on proving you are a real person, while keeping your sensitive data under your own control, away from prying eyes. The migration process itself is actually quite straightforward, but you have to use the exact same credentials you used before. If you try to start fresh or use a different login, you're going to lose everything you have built. When you open the app, you will see a notice about this transition. The old portal has reached its end of life, and your assets have already been moved over to the new secure wallet by the system behind the scenes. You just need to step in and claim them. Choose the same email login you used previously, the one tied to your primary account through your preferred email provider. Once you agree to the updated terms, the system pulls your old data forward instantly. You will see a success message that feels like a massive weight off your shoulders. All your PowerPoints, all your hard work, it is all right there waiting for you in the new dashboard. Inside this new interface, things look much cleaner and more professional. You have your official profile, which acts as your digital passport for this entire ecosystem. There's a specific area dedicated to live campaigns. This is where you go to register for new opportunities and claim your rewards without the usual technical headaches. You can see your badges, your verification details, and every credential you have earned over the months. It is a one-stop shop for your digital growth. If you are active in the world of digital assets, you know how messy tracking these things can usually be. This update finally fixes that chaos. Don't wait too long to make this move. The old systems are shutting down permanently, and you really want to be settled in before the next big campaign kicks off. Check your badges carefully, and make sure your verification is fully up to date in the credentials section. This is how you stay eligible for the biggest opportunities coming down the pipeline. Keep a close eye on those PowerPoints in real time, because they are the primary key to your standing in the entire community. Everything is moving incredibly fast, and this migration is the bridge to the next major phase of the network. Stay sharp, keep your credentials secure, and make sure you are logged into the right account to keep those rewards flowing into your wallet. The transition is seamless if you follow the steps, but the clock is ticking on the old infrastructure. Get in there, secure your profile, and get ready for what comes next.